Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore SEO after removing a page in WordPress step by step clearly. Remove the page from your WordPress site. Ensure that the page is not just deleted but also fully removed from your site's navigation. Set up a 301 redirect from the removed page to a relevant alternative page. You can do this using a plugin like redirection or your theme's functions.php file. Make sure to choose a page that offers similar content to maintain SEO value. Update your sitemap to reflect the removal of the page. Use an SEO plugin like Yoast or Rank Math to regenerate your sitemap. Submit the updated sitemap to Google Search Console. Monitor your site's performance for any unusual drops in traffic. Check for any broken links that may still point to the removed page. Use a tool like Screaming Frog or Ahrefs to assist with this process. If you find broken links, update them to point to your new 301 redirect pages. Review your Google Analytics for any decrease in page authority or traffic. Consider revisiting your keyword strategy to adapt to this change. Analyze your backlinks to the removed page. Reach out to webmasters and request updates to point to your new relevant page. Still ensure that the content on the new page is optimized for SEO. Regularly monitor your rankings for the keywords associated with the removed page. This allows you to adjust your strategy as needed over time. Stay informed about any future changes in SEO best practices. Optimize other pages on your site to enhance overall search performance. Continue creating high-quality content to support your remaining pages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.